Welcome to my channel, Colors in Life. Today's video is creating this simple yet beautiful Pinterest inspired canvas painting. For that, I got 6x8 2 white and 1 black canvas board which I got for 50 rupees each. First I made this drawing with pencil on a canvas board and started painting it with white acrylic color. Evening out the edges properly. This painting is very easy as there is no complicated drawing or shading involved. So even if you are beginner or with no experience in canvas painting, you can easily make this. For letters, I am using golden acrylic color. And the first canvas painting is ready in no time. For second canvas painting, I drew this letter on white canvas board. I am using this permanent black marker which I bought for just 20 rupees and then started filling the letters with marker. It is very easy to fill the letters with marker, but you may not get the smoother finishing. Hence I am using the brush to smoothen out the color. Don't worry even if the color comes out. We will take care of that later. For the last letter E, I am using golden acrylic color. Made this cute little heart on top of O, hiding the extra black color which came out with the white color. Then I am using this Fevicryl 3D golden liner for outlining the heart and letter E. And with this, second canvas painting is also ready. For third canvas painting, I made this simple wine glass on white canvas board and started painting the background with yellow acrylic color by using sponge. If the surface is large, then it becomes easier to paint with sponge, and also it gives really nice texture which I like a lot. Again, to give a nice texture, here I am using a darker shade of yellow. With sponge, you can't really fill the corner. Hence, here I am using brush. Now, with pencil, I am writing a letter drink. And then I am using a permanent marker to define it. All my 3 canvas paintings are ready. Thank you for watching the video. And this is how it looks after putting it on wall. If you want to see how I created this complete kitchen wall decor, I will mention the link to the video in the description box. Please go and check. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment.